Right, today's the day I'm going to cut a hole in this van for the fan. So, come up with me. We'll have a look. Basically what I've done is I've drawn round this to make sure I've got the edge. I can do it one-handed. Yeah, so I know for a fact that that is the right thing. Absolutely paranoid about cutting a hole too big, but I think we'll be all right. Yeah, so I'll stick you on a tripod and let's get to it. First thing to do is to protect the floor. So carry a bag and some tape just around the square to protect all the filings going on the floor. So we'll do that first. In fact, we won't do that first. I'll drill the 4 holes in each corner, then I'll put the bag up. Okay, I'm using that. Can't tell you how good they are. I've been using them for everything: wood, plastic, metal. Excellent job. So here we go. Just make sure your hole's big enough to fit your blade through before you go up there, which I don't think, yeah, it's a little bit. I'm going to make the hole just a touch bigger. So now we've got to go upstairs. I'm going to draw a line, make sure I'm in the right section, and then start cutting. Well, that was, I didn't like that. Where are you? I didn't like that. The jigsaw was bouncing around all over the place. I was a bit paranoid about making the hole too big and then subsequently made it too small. So I got the angle grinder out, and as you can see, battery operated angle grinders are pants. I haven't got an electric one, so I've just had to take my time. But it's fitting it fits now, so I'm just gonna trim off all the horrible metal. And then give it a paint. Such a lot of filings and crap like that here as well, so let's get all them cleaned up and I'll give it a wash. Okay, what we've got to do, well, I'm using this sort of like putty, yeah, and what we've got to do, because it's balancing on these ridges here, you have to build up a layer, yeah, build up a layer along so it reaches the level. So I'll probably have to put 2 layers here, one there. We'll see how it goes. Right, okay, as you can see, there's a bit of a loss in my video. Truth be known, I was working away and didn't realise that the battery had run out, so I missed the whole bloody lot. But anyway, look, it's all done. I've fixed it up there, which, yeah, I don't think that looks too bad. Yeah, and we'll just go on the outside, and I'll just show you what that's like as well. I'll take you up my new ladder. Okay, so there you go. I'll be honest with you, it really isn't the neatest of jobs, and I'll tell you for why. Because I started using this special non-drying cream. I think it's called DL99. Brilliant stuff, apparently. Superb, really cheap, brilliant. But I got cream instead of bloody white, so it didn't look very nice. So what I did, I've done it all. Sikaflexed it over with some white, and it's been, as usual in England, pissing down with rain, and there's not a drop of rain in here anywhere, so I'm pretty pleased that that's fairly secure. It just, as long as it's smooth and it's not going to gather water and things like that, I think we'll be all right. As I say, it's not the neatest job in the world, but there you go. Hopefully you get some ideas. There are plenty of better ones on the internet to watch, but you know, let's hope you like mine. All right, okay, look forward to the next one. See ya.